Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss important MCQs from set 6. So let's start. Question number 1. In Langland's Piers the Plowman, players appears finally as A. Charity, B. The Holy Trinity, C. Jesus, D. The Good Samaritan. Answer is D. The Good Samaritan. Question number 2. It is decided that each Canterbury pilgrim would tell in all A. 1 story, B. 2 stories, C. 3 stories, D. 4 stories. Answer is D. 4 stories. Question number 3. Venus and Adonis is a long narrative poem by A. Shakespeare, B. Marlowe, C. Drayton, D. Sidney. Answer is A. Shakespeare. Question number 4. The total number of poems in Shakespeare's sonnets is A. 123, B. 142, C. 104, D. 154. Answer is D. 154. Question number 5. Which of the following plays has a Machiavellian hero? A. Tamburlaine Part 1, B. Dr. Faustus, C. Geo Malta, D. Edward II. Answer is C. Geo Malta. Question number 6. Which of the following is written by Samuel Butler? A. Religio Lacey, B. David Semple, C. Hudibras, D. Journal of the Plague Year. Answer is C. Hudibras. Question number 7. Which of the following poems did Milton write in octosyllabic couplets? A. Il Penseroso, B. On his blindness, C. On the late massacre in Piedmont, D. Lucidus. Answer is A. Il Penseroso. Question number 8. Which of the following plays is not written by Congreve? A. The Way of the World, B. The Old Bachelor, C. Love for Love, D. The Relapse. Answer is D. The Relapse. Question number 9. Dryden's All for Love is an adaptation of A. Lister, B. Antony and Cleopatra, C. Romeo and Juliet, D. Edward II. Answer is B. Antony and Cleopatra. Question number 10. Which of the following books proposes a political theory? A. Principia, B. Anatomy of Melancholy, C. Leviathan, D. Liberty of Prophesizing. Answer is C. Leviathan. Question number 11. Which of the following book is written by a woman? A. A Vindication of the Rights of Women, B. Social Contract, C. A Treatise of Human Nature, D. The Wealth of Nations. Answer is A. A Vindication of the Rights of Women. Question number 12. Which of the following books by Jonathan Swift is a religious allegory? A. The Battle of the Books, B. A Modest Proposal, C. Gulliver's Travel, D. A Tale of a Tub. Answer is B. A Modest Proposal. Question number 13. Which of the following novels is a satire on the Gothic novel? A. Pride and Prejudice, B. Sense and Sensibility, C. Emma, D. Northanger Abbey. Answer is D. Northanger Abbey. Question number 14. Which of the following is a visionary work by William Blake? A. The Song of Laws, B. Songs of Experience, C. Poetical Sketches, D. The Vision of the Daughters of Albion. Answer is B. Songs of Experience. Question number 15. Pope's An Essay on Man is based on the ideas of A. Lord Petrie, B. Theobald, C. Lord Bolingbroke, D. Lord Harvey. Answer is C. Lord Bolingbroke. Question number 16. Which of the following works by Johnson is an intimation of the 10th satire of Juvenal? A. London, B. Vanity of Human Wishes, C. The Life of Savage, D. Russell's. Answer is B. Vanity of Human Wishes. Question number 17. The final version of Wordsworth's The Prelude appeared in A. 1798, B. 1806, C. 1850, D. 1860. Answer is B. 1806. Question number 18. To suffer owes whose hope thinks infinite is written by A. Shelley, B. Wordsworth, C. Keats, D. Byron. Answer is A. Shelley. Question number 19. A thing of beauty is a joy for river occurs in A. Ode on a Grecian urn, B. Ode to Psyche, C. Ode to Autumn, D. Endymion. Answer is D. Endymion. Question number 20. Who distinguished between the literature of knowledge and the literature of power? A. Coleridge, B. De Quincey, C. Hazlitt, D. Lamb. Answer is B. De Quincey. Question number 21. Who among the following Victorian poets is the most sensitive to the conflict between the old and the new? A. Tennyson, B. Browning, C. Rossetti, D. Swinburne. Answer is A. Tennyson. Question number 22. Under the Greenwood Tree is written by A. Gaskell, B. Thomas Hardy, C. George Eliot, D. Emily Bronte. Answer is B. Thomas Hardy. Question number 23. The office of circumlocution occurs in A. David Copperfield, B. Great Expectations, C. Bleak House, D. Hard Times. Answer is C. Bleak House. Question number 24. The novel Mary Barton is written by Mrs. Gaskell, B. Emily Bronte, C. Charles Dickens, D. George Eliot. Answer is A. Mrs. Gaskell. Question number 25. The line "Poetry is a criticism of life" occurs in A. Culture and Anarchy, B. The Study of Poetry, C. Modern Printers, D. Sartor Resartus. Answer is B. The Study of Poetry. Question number 26. Martha Quest was written by A. Jenny Rice, B. Doris Lessing, C. Iris Murdoch, D. Nadine Gordimer. Answer is B. Doris Lessing. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.